I remember years ago when I had gut health issues, I tried everything under the sun. I was trying vegan diet, carnivore diet, fasting, bone broth, keto, and I tried everything and nothing worked. And I was so stressed out about the diet that the stress in it of itself was actually worse than any healthy diet that I was trying to do. And of course, I didn't improve because the stress of getting things perfect and eating the right diet really got in the way of me feeling relaxed, safe. And ultimately, it got in the way of healing. And I remember a friend came over one day and he said, let's have pizza for dinner. I said, I can't have pizza. I think at the time I was maybe doing a ketogenic diet or something like that. And he was like, dude, you look like crap. You feel crap. You've been trying all these different diets for like months and months and months. You know what you need? You need McDonald's. This is what he said to me. I'm like, no, I don't. No, I've got to stick to it. I've got to stick to it. He's like, dude, you're so stressed out. You literally just need a Big Mac. You need a McDonald's burger and some chips, and that'll fix all your problems. And at this point, I was so over it, and I tried everything, and nothing was really working. And so we got in the car, and we went to the drive-thru. And by the way, this is a disclaimer. I'm not telling you to go and eat McDonald's. I'm sharing you this really powerful story so that you can change your behavior too. And so I go to McDonald's and I didn't end up ordering a burger. I ordered the healthiest option I could, which was like a chicken wrap with some chips, which was super against any gut health protocol that I was doing for those previous months. He's like, you just need to enjoy your life and just stop stressing about everything. Anyway, he's like, just take a bite. Just take a bite. And so I took a bite and I was like, oh, this tastes so good. And then we were just laughing so loud and just being hilarious to each other because he's like, see, how much better do you feel now? And I was like, yeah, I feel better. And the next day I felt totally fine. There was no problems from that eating. And what that showed me is that it's not what you do, it's how you do it. And obviously the stress and the pressure I was putting on myself to eat this perfect diet was actually inhibiting me from getting better. And so that changed the game because then I didn't have to have such a strong handle on, I'm not allowed to eat this or I can't eat this. And I literally eliminated stress dieting the next day because I realized that what I was trying to do wasn't working.